Okay class, welcome to your first day of school. By the way, don't turn on the fan, it brings bad luck to the school. Mr. Chicken, can I go down to the nurse? I have a headache. Okay Mr. Chicken, you can go with the nurse. Mr. Chicken, I'm sorry but we're out of medicine. Goes back to class. They were out of medicine. Can you turn on the fan? No. Why? It brings bad luck to the school. We think if all the fans were on at the same time the school will crumble apart. Okay, says Mr. Chicken, I need to turn on that fan. He thinks to himself at home. He calls his friends. Then the next day one distracts. Then Mr. Chicken jumps and pulls the spin chain. Teacher, you naughty chicken, I did not know one of my students wanted to be a criminal.